This is Al Maktoum International Airport, the world's largest airport.
260 million passengers a year. 5 runways, 4.5 kilometers each. A terminal that feels like a palace built in the middle of the desert.
Hi, I am Zara. You just saw what we built. Now let me show you how we built it. From nothing but sand. Follow me.
But before all this, there was nothing.
70 kilometers of raw, unforgiving desert.
I am Ahmed. Step 1, tame the desert. Watch.
First, we clear everything. No shortcuts. Every inch must be level. Laser perfect alignment across kilometers.
Sand moves like water here. We have to lock it.
Dust control. Without it, nothing moves. 98% compaction. Nothing less. Or those 600-ton planes will crack everything.
Now we add the secret weapon, Geogrid.
High-strength Geogrid locks the shifting desert sand. Every joint tied by hand. Then more sand. Then more compaction. Rock solid, forever.
Every square meter gets tested. 98.5%. 48 degrees Celsius heat. But my team does not sleep.
24-hour shifts. We waste no daylight. 1 month of relentless work. The footprint is ready.
Ground is solid. Now step 2, the runways.
We built our own concrete plants.
We need 1.2 million cubic meters. Every rebar joint tied by hand.
Special concrete, made for 48 degrees Celsius heat.
Special desert mix cures, even in 48 degrees Celsius.
Non-stop, pour around the clock. Up, 2, 3, 4.
Once you start a runway slab, you cannot stop. No air bubbles. No weak spots. Prevents cracking in this insane desert sun.
Temperature swings from 20 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. Concrete expands and contracts.
Precision joints for brutal thermal expansion. Every joint perfectly calculated.
Runway 1, done.
The backbone of the world's largest airfield. 5 runways, each 4.5 kilometers long. These lights will guide the biggest planes safely at night.
Emergency landings. We planned for everything.
Shoulders strong enough for emergency landings of fully loaded wide bodies. World-class markings. Over 100 movements per hour.
Code F standards for the largest aircraft on Earth.
Five runways complete ready.
Runway's done. Now step 3, the terminal. It is massive.
Column-free halls stretching 1.7 kilometers.
I still get chills watching these beams go up. Every joint torque checked. Failure is not an option. 45 Newton meters, confirmed.
These floors will last 100 years, millions of footsteps.
These floors support millions of footsteps every day for the next century. Wave-shaped roof, echoing the desert dunes we started with. Poetic and bulletproof. High-performance solar glass.
Reflects 70% of the killing desert heat.
Inside, you will not feel the desert at all.
Marble-like finish. Still looks new in 50 years. Living walls and palm groves inside the terminal. Bringing life to the desert.
Concourse 1 is longer than 3 full DXB Concordes combined.
Seamless passenger flow. 260 million people a year never feel lost.
World-class duty-free dining lounges.
Private gardens for first-class pure 5-star aviation.
Natural light smart LEDs, 40% energy saving.
Natural daylight plus smart LEDs, 40% energy saving while we battle this heat. The bones of the mega terminal are complete. The world is about to see something legendary.
Step 4, what you do not see is the most important part.
The hidden spine. Under everyone's feet. 30,000 bags per hour, fully automated.
You will never see it, but it is there. Moving your luggage at 30,000 bags per hour.
Bags cooling powertrains, all underground.
Cooling 2.3 million square meters. So passengers never feel the desert heat inside.
Dedicated power plant. Size of a small city. Keeping this giant alive 24/7. zero-emission automated people mover.
My team is exhausted, but so damn proud.
Next generation screening, built in from day one.
Self-bag drop 150 million passengers in Phase 1.
Self-bag drop. Ready for 150 million passengers in Phase 1.
Jet fuel delivered directly to every gate.
Lightning fast turnarounds. Every second counts. Direct Metro link. The whole city flows straight into this masterpiece.
Runway links green corridors from city to terminal.
12 million tons of cargo capacity, powering global trade for decades.
The backbone of global trade.
Full airfield lighting system online, ready to guide the world. RFF Category 10, the highest safety standard money and determination can buy.
Everything tested. Nothing left to chance. Now, the reveal.
The terminal is breathing. It feels alive after all these months of sweat.
This documentary is created for educational and informational purpose only. All visual scenes and content are conceptual reaction and artist interactions based on publicly available information, news report, and open source intelligence. No classified, secret, or retaliation information based being used in the production of this documentary. This video does not represent actual footage from any real military facility.